Hey guys, just grabbing some eggs for dinner tonight. Having some breakfast for dinner. Ooh, got a blue one. So let me get everything else ready. We'll meet you out at the griddle. All right, so we're having breakfast for dinner tonight. We're gonna do it all right here on the Blackstone. Right here we have some thick cut bacon. I have this at about medium heat. Start out with bacon, and then keep that warm in the oven while everything else is going. I tend to, my family says I tend to take longer when I video everything. So, put these on here. They are a bit thicker than the ones I used last time. Hopefully you can see pretty well. My last video I did with the chicken fried rice had some issues with my camera, or my phone that's on the stand here, overheating. So I had to use my another phone to finish the video. So let me get these guys going here. But yeah, hopefully have it far enough away where you can, close enough where you can see, but far enough where it's not going to melt. So I didn't put any oil down. It was already oiled up from last time I used the griddle. And the bacon's going to generate plenty of oil and grease. The other things we have for dinner here tonight, we have these. You saw me get some eggs from the chickens that are crowing. We have some of the like the Ore-Ida hash browns, the diced, like a home fries almost, and some sausage patties. And I also got some soft tortillas. So we're gonna probably wrap them up in there. Not a real difficult dinner, just easy. Nothing too fancy. Bacon and eggs and potatoes. Well, you don't want to see this all day. Let me finish these up. I'm gonna get the potatoes set. I'll put them here so they're nice and in the bacon grease. I'll put the sausage patties over on this side here, I think. But everything I have all the way across, about medium heat. And we'll go from there. So here we're just using diced hash browns, store-bought Ore-Ida. They were frozen. See if we can melt them down a little bit. The hash browns always take me forever to do. So if anybody has any recommendations on how they do them, mine usually end up soggy, and you know, they're cooked, but they don't really brown up. So if anybody has any suggestions, let me know. I'm gonna work on this. Be right back. For the sausage, going with just Bob Evans patties. I brought the bacon inside, put that in the oven, it's on warm. Wash my hands, and then grab these guys. Again, everything's just on warm, or yeah, like medium heat. Woo! Got some on the ground here for the dogs. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Mix them up a little bit. Really soaked up that bacon grease. So I'm trying this time, squirting down water, letting them steam up a little bit. Usually I'll add oil over and over. So we'll see if this helps with my hash brown dilemma that I usually have. So we're getting there. The potatoes still aren't browning up, but they're still gonna be good. These are probably about done. These are actually smelling great. I'm gonna turn the heat off over on this side on the right. I'll spread these out a little bit, see if I'm going to brown up a little bit. My luck, they're going to just stick. So after this, we just got the eggs, which actually I can do on this side, I guess. Let me turn these guys back on. Nice and low. Here we go with about a dozen eggs. This is the toughest part, getting everything stay where you want it. Salt and pepper. These I'm just mixing around. Actually going to turn this one and let these finish off on here. Still super hot on here. I still want to dry them out. So I didn't scrape or anything after I did the bacon or the sausage. You can if you like. My potatoes are kind of half turning into mashed potatoes versus soft diced potatoes. Either way, it'll still taste good. They're browning up a little bit. See, these eggs are just about done already. All right, now I just did a quick scrape. Threw a little bit of oil down, not too much. Just gonna brown some of these up. I have it on high right now, just seeing what I could do here. Try to get everything finished up here pretty quick. Not trying to burn them. Giving them a little kiss. Look at that. I don't know if this was the side it was already on. But you can see it's starting to get a little brown edges on them. All right, here's what I came up with. Threw a little mozzarella on top there. You can see there's the tortilla, got some egg in there, the potatoes, the sausage, the bacon, and some cheese. But I made mine too big, and I try to eat it like a soft taco. But also trying to get a bite of everything at the same time. This isn't working. That was really good. It's super easy to make. Well, if you have any tips for me on how to make my my hash browns brownier, leave some comments. If you have anything good to say, leave some comments. Hit a thumbs up if you want. But most importantly, try this out. Breakfast for dinner is an awesome thing. We'll see you later. Thanks.